Okay, YouTube, I haven't done a video for a while, so here it is. Last time I videotaped this thing, I've done so many modifications to it. I put on a 3-inch lift, cut the fenders, put in some LEDs, put a new top on. It's a Smitty built. Had to put a whole new frame system in it. Let's take a look. Had to put all new bars in it. Bar that goes up there. Window surrounds. New header panel. Grips. Had them. Let's see. Oh, cut the fender flares. Oh yeah, mirrors. These are the rugged ridge quick release mirrors. Mounts to the front windshield frame. That way when I take the doors off, stay nice and legal. Now the latest thing that I just found that I've been having an issue with, I noticed when I hit about 58 mile an hour, I start getting a death wobble. I rotate, the tires are wore, I definitely need new tires, but I did rotate them. A couple of them are wearing unevenly, but that's the way I bought them, because prior to, or right after I bought them, I had a 4-wheel alignment done. But anyway, I rotated the tires, and I'll show you what I found. If we look under here at the tie rod, I'll show you what I can do. Should not be able to do that. Not that easily. So, unfortunately, I have to spend some more money. I think it's going to be about $100. $100, another $100, another $100. Adds up quick. Anyway, I hope to get this accomplished by this weekend, possibly. Have to get a couple rental tools. But other than that, get a ball joint separator. I should just buy one. Yep, I don't think you should be able to do that. Pretty loose. looser than I like. Anyway, that's my latest video. I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe button.